Hey and welcome to the channel. For new ones, I'm building a mouth kitchen for our kids. In the last episode I managed to paint it all and we finally got the kitchen outside and it looks really nice. To finalize the build I will install a sink which I bought for 25 euros as a used unit from Facebook Marketplace. And to install the sink I need to drill a hole obviously for it to fit it there. As you can see, I needed to drill an even bigger hole because the last one was too small, and there was a slight miscalculation with the center cap. Next day here, we got a new center cap and we can continue our work. Next step, we need to drill a hole in the mud kitchen to get the waste water from the sink out of it. Yep, it's out. Next step is to glue the sink to the countertop and install some nice little additions. Next up is the water supply for the mud kitchen, and the piping costed around 43 euros. I wanted to make the mud kitchen kind of standalone, meaning that water would drip from the roof of the house to the canister, so that I don't have to fill the mud kitchen always with water, and it would basically fill itself. Of course you can get specialized piping for that purpose, but I went the cheaper route, I would say, and bought just plumbing supplies basically. And now I'm cutting out a hole for the water drainage so that it would go to the canister. The edges of the pipes were a bit rough, so I needed to sand them down a bit just to make it more beautiful, I would say. First test seems quite promising. The water is dripping, maybe not exactly into the canister yet, but we will get there. Next up is the canister and other piping bits, which costed around 24 euros. I bought a 10-liter canister because I figured that this would be enough. Once the pipe works are done, we need to drill a hole in the mud kitchen to fit the piping there and to fasten the canister as well. You can see that the hole is a bit too big for the piping, Well, it was because of the fact that they didn't have another drill bit and it was the smallest I had, so I figured out a way how to make the piping stick there. Now it's only the matter of connecting all of the piping. Okay, maybe not only connecting, but securing also the piping and the canister. Seems to be working because the canister is filling with water and water is coming out from the right place. Although there were slight water drops in various sections of the piping, but I will later fix this with some silicone. Now, if you wonder how the kitchen looks after kids have been using it, that's how. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and we'll see you in the next one.